There she is. It's rough. It's really rough.
We'll put a dashboard into the flight chamber here.
Go on! Well folks, what is good? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we have another Caddy episode, and in the last episode we had the MOT with a Caddy passed. Get to do fun stuff now. So yeah, over there we have some airlift suspension, some BBS 20-inch wheels, and today we're going to fit them. We've already started fitting the management inside the van, so let me just go and show you. So yeah, in the passenger footwell we have the compressor and the manifold. Still got to install a tank up in the space in the back here, but that will be all hidden away, and then you can't really see it there, but the controller for the suspension is sitting there. So yeah, today get the struts fitted, get the rear leaf springs in, and then yeah, get some wheels on. Fingers crossed, all goes well.
Hours later.
Alright, well, somebody smarter than me once said that you're only one rusty bolt away from having a bad day. Well, today I had 3, which means when you got the front done and the management in and sorted, so come to do another day and put the rear suspension in. But yeah, glad that that's the hard bit done. Fingers crossed anyway, and that we can get the rest up the next day. So probably be next week, but yeah, I'll fast forward to then. Okay then, so it is Saturday morning following week from what you've last seen, so just on our way to Blackline at the minute. So yeah, plan for today is to get the rear leaf springs and bags in, get a tank in because we haven't got a tank at the minute, we're just running straight from manifold, and yeah, get an alignment and hopefully get the wheels on and get a first look of how it's really gonna sit with the suspension on. So should be an exciting day today. We're just pulling in here now and get the van up in the lift, and then I will do some recording. Okay, this has been an eventful day. Got the rears in now, so you can see, got the airbag in there, the shackle kit, and yes, this all needs tightened up still, but it's in there. Yeah, had a bit of a fight with that, trying to get it in, and don't know if you can see, yeah, drill kicked and hit me in the face. So yeah, but that's the bulk of this work done. Gonna just tighten everything up here, get the wheels back on, and then get it over for an alignment. Alright then, so last night ran out of time really, so didn't get to record much, but got the wheels on, got the van aligned, and yeah, got to see it for the first time aired out completely. Now, one thing we don't have is rear shocks. They are out of stock with the supplier at the minute, so unfortunately at the minute with the standard shocks, the back end's sitting up a wee bit, but once you get the Bilstein B8s in the back of it, should be short enough to let the whole thing drop down, and yeah, it'll look a lot better. But yeah, rather than me telling you about it, how about we just cut the montage and you can see it. Okay then, so yeah, there you go. Starting to look really cool. Really happy with the progress so far. Still have the front brakes to do. They're sat down here. And then it's off to bodywork. Also got to install rail covers. There's one on this side, but I haven't done the one on this side yet. And yeah, I think that's it. It's starting to get real. Starting to get close to the end. And yeah, you may have noticed as well in the video there that it is now registered and on a Northern Ireland plate. So yeah, really happy. Guess see you in the next one. Big updates next.